look, 2 months of using the shoes every day, whole day. And hi everyone, good morning. And before we start with all these jazz, I would like to greet all the moms there. Happy Mother's Day, and I hope everybody is having a great time. And yeah, more power to all the moms out there. Happy Mother's Day again. Okay, so now today I just finished my lesson, and I'm heading to another place for another lesson. Yeah, and so now we're just like walking down back to Victoria Park, since we had an hour lesson here somewhere here in Bremer Hill. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all the supporters. We already reached to 700 subscribers, and I'm so thankful to all my friends out there, to all of my newly found friends. Shout out to Ronville channel for helping me. Dayan Studio, thank you so much. Shout out to Georgie Ulita, all the Germany's Angel, and who else? Shout out to everybody who's watching right now, to all the teams. Hello. Hi. Cute. Vlogging. Yeah. Yung mata lang in-check, ate. Uy, grabe siya. Ilocano ba daw sa maitim mo? Grabe naman si ate. Hindi, Cebuano po. Apo. Sige ate. Say bye. Cute ng aso nyo. Ay, yun pala. Sige po. Bye. Yeah, so she was asking me if I'm Ilocano. It's like people who live northern part of the Philippines, part of Luzon, because she said I look like Ilocano because I'm dark skinned. But you know, we all know that I'm dark because I stay in the sun all the time. And yeah, that's funny though. So our mission today is we're gonna go down to Victoria Park because I still have another lesson there, and we need to get some new shoes today. Look at my shoes, guys. After 2 months of using it, it's already done. Goodbye shoes. I need to grab a new pair of shoes. As you see the condition of my shoes, and it's really bad. Where look, 2 months of using the shoes every day, whole day, and it has taken its toll. So we need a new one. And let's just leave our basket down here and pick some shoes. Hello, Joel-san. Good morning. these are the new shoes available. What kind of color is this? It's a bit dirty white. Adidas A6 Babulat Nikes, shoes that are so hard to get nowadays. And yeah, let's ask. Baby, how much this one? Okay. Look at this one. Jeez. But you know, I like it. I like the comfort. But for a week, so hard for a week of using. First week so bad, so painful.
But after that,
Thank you. Oh yeah, we got a new shoes. Going to Victoria Park, and it's 10:55, 5 minutes more to go before my lesson. And yeah, we got the new shoes already, and we're due for a new one after 2 months of using the Ubersonic. This is what I'm rocking right now. Cool or not cool? Let me know in the comment section below if it's nice or not, because it's more comfortable. And so far I'm not going to play any tournaments, and yeah, for now these shoes, it's very comfortable right out from the box, and I'm not feeling any sharp pain compared to the Ubersonics. If you guys are looking for new shoes or for a new pair of shoes, then I really suggest you to get the A6, because they're really comfortable out from the box. This is good and comfortable, and let's see how this goes with my first lesson today. Unlike the Ubersonic, just like the one that I posted few videos ago, this one is good right out from the box. You don't have to break it in, because it's already comfortable using it right away. This should last me 2 to 3 months, and yeah, it feels really good and comfortable. Oh, by the way, the camera setup I'm using right now is the Insta360 One X2, the new camera, with the Boom Comica Boom XD, with 2 transmitters and and a receiver. Let me know how it sounds right now, guys, because I'm really trying to use this as my main vlogging setup for everything. Shutter speed 60. Shutter. Okay. So basically, I just finished my lesson today. So still trying the shoes, and you know, I'm very surprised that this shoes has this. Okay, check this out. You can see that the shoes has something here where we can keep our shoelaces inside. Not sure if you can see it from here. So yes, you can see that it has a thing here where we can keep the shoelaces inside to keep it neat, which is a very cool addition, or a very cool what do you call this one, feature for these shoes. So yeah, I haven't noticed this before, but I have these kind in Solomon shoes where we can keep the shoelaces in. So this is a very nice feature, I have to say. Nice touch over there, A6. I hope all the shoes will have these kind of feature. So yeah, and before that, let's fly our drone.